Hi, this is Schutt Log Homes, and we're going to take a quick peek at one of our oak log cabin kits. Our log cabin kits are completely customizable and come in many sizes from 400 square feet all the way up to 4,000 square feet, and we can even do bigger if you want bigger. Not a problem here. Let's start with the living room. This living room is 16 by 25, and it has plenty of room for everyone to gather, and it's homey, it's cozy, and it's a place that everyone would love to come home to. With Schutt Log Homes, all of the rafters, which are 4 by 8, and the shiplap ceiling are included in the kit. Also included is the trim around all the doors and the windows and the timber frame stairs. Most kits, I believe, come with much smaller staircases that don't really accent the beauty of the timber. At the top of the stairs, you're going to notice the loft. Most of our cabin kits come with a loft. You can choose to make a full second story. You can keep the loft, make the loft bigger, make a bedroom up there, a bathroom up there, or you can have a one-story home without a loft. It's totally up to you. We are here to make your cabin the way you want it. Let's take a look at the kitchen. This is a very spacious kitchen. It's a good size. There's tons of cabinets. This is a great place for the family to gather and to create delicious meals. And as you'll see, the kitchen is open to the living room, so everyone is always together and always in the same space. Off to the side is the bathroom. Let's take a quick look here at the master bedroom. This is a 16 by 18 master bedroom, and you can see it's very well lit. There's lots of windows. It's very comfortable. It's open, it's airy, and I'm going to show you a little trick to the trade here that we don't tell everyone.